Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to expand RAM on Android device. So guys, it's super easy and you will make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So here guys, you can enable viral RAM. Some Android devices have a features called virtual RAM that allows you to allocate some of your storage as RAM memory. To enable this feature, go to your settings and then battery and device and then memory and finally RAM plus and choose the amount of the RAM you want to add. Also guys, you can use the RAM expander app. You can use a RAM expander app to create virtual RAM on your device, and one such app is RioSoft RAM expander, which is a paid app on the Google Play Store. So after installing that application, you can also increase your RAM on your mobile storage. So this is how you can easily increase your RAM. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.